Well, here I am on ground, and I need to go in base. Fireworks come out. If the only way the fireworks are come out, we have to put everything away. And I'm going to do like an annual fireworks show. And we have a pack of boxes of it.
Fresh air feels good.
Yep, I'm in a Swiss cheese land.
What are you doing there, bud?
I need to record a video.
Yeah. Well, you guys got it.
If you want to do like an annual fireworks show, oh, the grill part is over. And then we need to do the fireworks part.
What do you do?
I need to record a video.
You're doing a video?
Yes, I am. Because I already recorded videos like this in the past. I literally took over the channel.
Where did Mommy and Grandma go?
Well, Ava's riding a bicycle. She is riding a bicycle.
Oh, is that where they were?
Yes.
Well, stay here, bud.
Yeah.
Go on the street. So, I see your flowers are doing good, huh?
Yes, and some have been picked off because they were dead.
Oh.
But I'm sitting in an annual fireworks show chair again. And I really like a fireworks show.
You like fireworks too?
Yes, I have. It's about a long time.
Oh, real.
Oh, boy. Some fresh air feels good.
It does, right?
Me too. Fresh air feels good.
Fresh air.
Yes, if I want to do like an annual fireworks show, let's go. Oh, minutes more? This is what the set looks like. If you can see, we're using the fireworks that you see on camera.
Ooh, who said? Aren't they illegal?
No, they're not illegal. They're illegal.
Illegal?
They're illegal. Fireworks are illegal. But all fireworks are illegal in Massachusetts.
Massachusetts. Suzanne, that one says? Suzanne.
Yeah. And good news, Ava's here. Guys, I'm putting
the bell.
a
So
video.
you're ready to record?
Yes, I am recording for like 2 minutes.
Oh, he's going to record this?
Yes, we are doing fireworks. We're at the back of the box that Ava.
You did.
Why do I have to run inside? Because.
All right. Relax. Don't take anything out.
I'll take
You're not even
it.
supposed to be holding that. It's supposed to be 18 years of age and older.
18 years of age.
Really? There's no fire in her hand.
Don't matter.
There's no fire.
Hey,
It's just a
straight-
bag in
straight
my
side wall.
hand. It's just 18 years older. 18 years older.
Well, a heck of a lot neater than somebody I know.
I am doing good.
What?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh yeah,
Wait,
we
you're
have
in
to.
front of
And then we will record the animal. Sorry.
Oh, be careful. Stepped on her tongue. I thought you would just do it on the sidewalk right here.
Yes, we will. Do it outside.
Right here, right?
Yes. Like I will do it on video.
All right. What are we doing from the small box first?
Yes. And then to the sparklers.
Okay.
And then the finale booms.
Okay.
Time to do fireworks.
All right. Let's see.
It's 18 years or older. But we need Dad.
I think his belly hurts, so I don't know if he's gonna do it. So let me get a scissor. Hold on.
You know what time? Okay, we stay outside.
It is.
Ava, you can sit in that red chair and actually look at the show. And I have a tablet. I want to sit in the blue chair. Mine's my chair because I got it. You can sit in a chair. Because I like to watch a fireworks show with Ava. because I see Ava. But then we have to focus on the camera because you know what? I've been camera in like 5 minutes now, and I've been doing great. And guess what? I have a baby. It's a newborn baby. What? That's not a newborn baby. Ah! Well, I am doing good. I've been in 5 minutes. Why not, baby monkey? I'm recording for like 5 minutes and 55 seconds. I just got it. He's trying to take. There's 6 minutes. It's in a video now. Wow. Whoa. That is a chemtrail.
Yep.
And that's where the coronavirus.
No. Alright, which one do you want to do first?
Pick. I want to do this big one.
Whoa.
Yeah, the big one. Pubs really up in the air days. Jitterbug.
The jitterbugs.
Where are you going to do it?
Just right here on the sidewalk.
Yes, and I will stand back. Or right now. Stand back.
And back.
Because the video. Yes, damn it. Showers a spot. Oh, ow. It hurt me a lot. You have to run away.
Well, we're far enough away, I think.
Yes, we are far enough away. There's people in the background. Yes.
Are we
We're doing
ready?
fireworks right now.
Are we ready for one?
Yes, I do see fireworks. 2, 3.
Here we go.
2, 1. Fireworks! And it spoke.
That's a good one.
Yes, this is pretty. Yes! That was good! That was good! Which one will you do next? I want to pick. I found this one! Look at this one! It's called Happy Valley. Yeah, Happy Valley.
Tear off lid before igniting. Don't touch it, Jay. Yeah, it's going to be hot, but.
Yes, because they already said it.
Right, but it's still hot.
Yeah. Yes, that was a good.
That was a good one, right?
Yes, this is a good one.
That was a rain.
You want to dance? You want to dance like pops? Like if we are popping poppets in the background? What? Ready? Stand up. Get your tablet down. Why? We have to pause real quick. No. Okay, you're not doing anything. I want to see every picture of the fireworks. As you know, we have to look at. Yes, that is my mom.
That's Tracy's mommy. And I'm Amanda's mommy.
That wind blowing too much there?
Well, this one will be hard. This one will be hard. Fireworks are coming! Fireworks! We just blew fireworks!
No? It's just too windy. I think it's a light too thick.
Too windy. Come on. Oh no. What? Oh, it's coming.
Alright. Here it goes.
Sauce. Saucing power. Whoa! It's coming, and it ended. Woo-wee! It's smoky out here. Because I recorded the entire thing of the fireworks. What will we do next? I know really much. No, that we did that one before. Look, I picked it, so it's nice and cool. Not the finale booms right now, because the finale booms will be at the end. Ooh, we found one! What is it called?
Flashing fountain.
Flashing fountain.
8 pieces.
8 pieces. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 different.
Yes, we do have to take it apart. This will be a long video. This will be a long video. I like fireworks. Yeah. We have to put it together. Well, I'm the cameraman. Look, I do this in hip hop. Look, watch.
I'm looking.
Wanna do this? Jace, you're not doing it right. Well, people do different. Flashing fountain. Fireworks.
I'll just do 2 then.
Whoa.
They don't do much.
They don't do much, too. Come on, do the other 2 other ones. I guess it's a bit too smoky. Fun! Now this is good for my dance.
Is it?
Yeah.
I like the fountain better. Yeah.
Oh my god, it's yellow and orange. Yes, it is yellow and orange. And green. And green. Like the Grinch.
Want to do a different one if you do?
Jake, this is a good one. What is it called?
What's it called?
Okay, you check.
Money team.
Money team. Yay, we did it.
Here, but I gotta take the wrapper off.
No, don't touch
Wait,
it.
hold on. I got it.
Is it hot over here?
It might be. So be careful.
Maybe it's like so much a long video. Oh my god. There's like so many fireworks coming off. Ah, bug landed on my tablet. Yeah, that's disgusting. Get that off. Well, I did get it off. It's not on my tablet anymore. Yeah, guys, definitely it's going to be crazy right now. Guys, it's almost coming right. No. Why did you right now? It's coming right now. No! Why are you doing this? It's going, guys! It isn't doing anything. It's been like 13 minutes.
Sometimes you gotta hold it.
Yes. You have to.
Maybe it's dead.
Is it dead?
Oh, there you had a flame there.
No, it isn't dead.
Hold on, bud.
Stay back.
Stay back. We're gonna do it just later. It's gonna go now. There it goes.
There you go. Videotape it there.
We have to put the baby stuff on and it'll come out.
Alright.
Whoa, that's a good one.
Because Mommy don't really like it outside cold.
No.
So she puts the ones on while it's cold out. That is good.
That was a good one.
That's a good one.
That is a good one.
What one is next? Go tell Mommy. Fireflies. Yeah, that one looks. Oh my god, fireflies. Okay, I want to wait for Mommy. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Well, let me get a plastic bag and start throwing some.
If I know that this is a. Yes, we do. My baby sister will like it. But she might open her eyes, and that's a little bit okay. Okay. Yeah. Did you just kiss? No, I just said. You just did kiss. Should I open the box? No. We already done a couple fireworks.
Oh, did you?
Not really that much.
No.
And then the sparklers, and then the finale booms.
What the hell are you doing? What's up with that?
These materials, they are No, not the finale boom. It's already been 15 minutes.
No one has food.
We already done a couple fireworks.
No one has food. He'll run inside as soon as he hears the fireworks go off.
Well, I already got fireworks on tape. I already done fireworks on tape.
Yeah, you got some already?
Yes.
This one feels like a bad boy.
Whoa.
Well,
I'm not doing it. I was just looking at it.
why are you crying? That's a weird thing. I've already done it for like 15 minutes. It's a pretty long video
Nice.
because I wanted to record some fireworks. Anyways, it's Memorial Day,
Yeah.
and I'm recording fireworks.
Gonna be a photographer one day.
Yeah. And the sparklers and the finale booms. After the sparklers, we do the finale booms, which is the end.
Yeah.
Yeah, the end of it is now the finale booms. Come on, Sophia. Sophia!
Try to get outside, break in from the door.
Come on. Come on, Fireflies. We need to do it already. We need to do it already. No, Jace. I'm waiting for Sophia. Hey, they're coming out.
Okay.
Come on, guys. Because this is pretty much a long video because things are burnt. With Sophia! I did not pony. No, do not do it on me.
I'm doing it on you.
What happens if I do it on me? And then
Hey, if it really bothers you, they got
no,
things from
do not do it in the house. Do not do it in the house. Come on, mommy. Mommy, why do I have to do this? It's already been 17 minutes. And all this stuff.
I'm coming. I want to see Sophia eat.
Oh,
She can stay any more time. I want her to eat.
I'm already doing fireworks. We're doing fireworks and you need to see them. You need to see fireworks.
Okay, you can see fireworks.
One is a bad boy.
Whoa.
Take that. Look.
Bad boy.
Come over here. Go into the chairs. I'm going to do the blue chair. Yes. Fire. Well, it's a good Memorial Day. Oh, I thought that was fireworks.
No, that's
What is that noise?
Chimarina. Your legs are falling off your chimarina.
It filled up with water one time. That had to bend.
Wow.
Oh.
Other good this side.
Oh my God, Drilla!
Oh, that one.
That was a good one.
Oh, look at this jet up ahead. Straight up.
Chemtrail.
It's a chemtrail.
Good job, Jake.
Chemtrail.
Is that scary to go up? Is that scary?
Yeah. All right, what color you what
Whew.
you guys want to do next?
When it goes up like that. Whew. If you do.
To go on an airplane?
I'll
Let Daddy do it.
Sure.
Because
Garbage bags over here.
You don't feel like that.
it's already been 19 minutes.
Maybe that's a space station. That's a space station.
But it looks good now, straight.
Yeah, but it doesn't.
Hopefully we
It
get
goes
more
like
rain this
this.
week.
Supposed to.
Yeah, it goes
It
up.
doesn't go straight up. And you're inside, so you don't feel it.
That thing wasn't like too good.
That's crazy. Look at the view of the airplane.
Guess it may be dead.
Clouds.
Yeah.
Look, it's on top of us.
There you go.
The airplane's on top of us.
Whoa, look at the colors on that.
That is. Green, blue, yellow. Yes, it's everything in one. Still good. Now it's orange.
Boo!
What? Yeah.
I'm gonna here's some more.
Guys, I picked the firework again. This guy! Yes. He is.
Solar flare.
Hey, what's that smell? That's a smoke.
Gunpowder.
Stick 'em gonna go up the other end.
I have a lot of those lighters at home.
Yeah.
Come on, do it.
Going around. Hope not. Nope.
No, don't touch it, Drew.
Just little sparks.
Oh no.
Whoa.
Those little bangs. Bang.
They're not standing up, they're falling over.
And will it explode the ground?
Yeah.
No, it isn't exploding.
Finish this off.
Woohoo!
Now it's so
Do
dark.
do.
Yeah,
let's do a different one.
when you're done with it.
I want to do this one.
Yeah, these
We're doing fireworks.
Did you tell the neighbors?
I always sit in the blue chair.
Oh, right across the street. Where are the gray cans?
Holy crap, the burger's spot out here.
Yeah, do you have a sweater for
I'm already recording the fireworks on tape. I'm already recording the fireworks on tape.
Okay.
In order for you to watch it.
Are you gonna put it on your Facebook?
No, YouTube.
Stand by the fire.
Mandy's getting her little sweater.
Oh, anything good here? This one?
I thought that
Supposed
was
to leave
No,
it.
no, no, I don't want to do that.
Whoa,
Oh
what's
my
wrong with
god,
this
it's not your choice.
Yes,
Which one do you want?
Well, bring it anyway. Bring
You
them
have to
both.
open it up.
Just leave it in the box. Don't open the box.
Yes. I'm already recording a video and like this long. You can sit right here. I have never.
Tell your husband that I put the heat on in my house like 78. I just tell everybody else to take off their clothes.
That's bangs and boom.
She jumped. She's like,
That was a bit of a good one.
These are Sophia's first fireworks.
Wow.
Yes, that is Sophia's first firework. It's already been this long. I can't believe it.
Yeah, it would be perfect to set off mortars right here.
Oh my god, they go right up. Just come this way. Oh, you got it now. You got it now.
Did I record the firework on tape?
Yeah.
Yucky smell. That is a yucky smell.
It is a yucky smell.
I'm doing the camera.
you hear her?
Get excited.
Yeah.
Oh, little girl.
Guys, if I don't see the fireworks,
She's trying to tell you.
well, I like to
Where I
sit
am.
like this.
Sit in my seat. That's right,
You'll get a better view.
right in front of it.
Why do we have to move?
So you can see it
So you
good.
see it better.
It's your videotape.
I can't believe how chilly it is.
Really?
That is a blast. That was a blast of a firework.
Yeah.
That was a blast of a firework.
That's why I went over here to go that way.
That's what I've ever seen in my life. June bugs. What?
Oh, back up. Back up. That was a beast. Look.
Back up, back up. Everybody's gonna pop.
Memorial Day.
Yes, it is Memorial Day, and I'm recording this video.
I wasn't expecting much. Just something to make the kids smile.
They're not bad. You got these in big ones?
Yeah.
Not bad.
And then the sparklers and
Do you want a chair? We have plenty of chairs.
I'm a man. I'm a
because
caveman.
I like to sit on the blue chair because that's Ava's chair
Yeah.
because that has the monkey in it.
Really gonna throw it away like that? Oh, you're fine. We're about fire, don't touch fire.
Were you going to bed earlier?
Got two of them. Look. Yes.
Yep, that was a good one.
That was a good one? I don't know. I think we have better ones than that.
He was really for the colors.
Because I ain't never seen the fireworks like that. Because I always do it on tape. I do it on tape.
There you go, Sophia.
There you go, Sophia.
Excited.
It looks like red. Purple. Purple.
Ooh. Wonder how you gonna do when we get the mortars.
I need to pick up it.
We'll finish these. Let's finish these off.
And 80s?
I like June bugs. Found one. June bugs.
Alright, let's finish these ones off. And
Okay.
then we'll clean it up.
Yeah, I gave them. We already done 2 ones on video.
Oh, okay.
Oh no.
Yeah, he said he ain't gonna get it.
I know, I couldn't either.
He's like, I ain't gonna get it.
Green.
You get the wise man in the back. You ain't gonna
It's
get it.
green.
Just back off.
It was green.
It's always like that, though.
After they burn, then they stand back up.
Oh, yeah. That's crazy.
It's orange.
Yeah.
She turns and looks at Ava. You see that? Oh, stop.
Be nice.
Jeez. Over exaggerate. Look, look.
It's purple.
Yeah. She looks at her sister and hits her. Look, look.
So it is. Gotta do the June bugs.
Every time she looks Yeah. at her,
Why are we doing this?
But I'm getting rid of the ones that are in my pocket.
She's not even touching you. She's not even touching you. Are you sure there's nothing else in your hand?
Oh my god,
Oh my god, it's a spider. Rip.
Oh no, the June bugs.
Look, look, she's gonna hit you again. Look. Ooh, she likes that one. Her arm goes.
Oh, that's a good one.
There we go. So
Her arm goes
excited.
like,
Everybody's like,
Oh, they're not cheering us on.
No, I think they're cheering both your teams.
I'll get my wife over here. She's competitive.
But they asked us if we wanted to play.
Ava goes playing football with no helmet.
Yeah, me too.
I just picked some up at the Dollar Tree.
What?
Badminton.
Oh, cool.
So, they don't give you the net, but I bought like 4 of the things. And
Yeah,
like
we
math
had it
race.
at one point. What happened to it? I bought the whole kit.
Oh, that's a good one, Jay.
Sophia's first fireworks.
Yay, that was a
Can
good
we
one.
do the
His
June
birthday party
bugs?
before he did the fireworks.
Can we do the June bugs?
Yeah, let me just get some of these cleaned up. There's a fire to keep you warm.
Yes, I will keep one. I
Gonna
will.
make it smell like burnt fire.
I remember we did some at your mom's house, remember? We put on the
I'm
skateboard.
going to keep myself warm.
Set them off. Did you see this one?
My little girl.
We have sparklers.
Yeah, you got to like some sparklers.
That one's empty. This one here,
Awesome.
Jace, in here.
Good time, huh?
This is like the final fireworks.
They are.
There's some more fireworks.
Please, I like these.
Here, you want me to let you off fire? You want me to let you off the sparkler?
Yes. There are the best ones in the air.
Isn't there ones open?
Error.
No.
Oh my god, I
No.
love those
No,
ones.
it's
I like them in the air. I don't like them like.
Yeah, I had two.
I like them.
There was 4 boxes, 2 and 2.
Jay,
None of them
you're
were open.
gonna see them in the air.
There should be a giant
Yeah,
one in there
it's gonna
too.
be up in the air. These are my best
Alright.
ones.
Sorry, I don't mean to make you hold something.
Sparklers.
I don't
Okay,
mind.
it's okay. It's okay. We can put it over here. So you
I don't mind
strong.
holding them. I don't just mess mine up.
Sparklers.
There, Jace.
You want to sit down, James?
Yeah, but
No,
those
I do not want to sit down. Because
They hold it by the metal part.
Oh, those are.
When you light one up,
It's the
I'll
same
light
thing.
mine off yours and I'll bring you Sophia.
What's a garbage can?
can I light
Oh, I
one
was
up?
gonna say it sounds like fireworks.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought
I remember
so.
these taking a long time last year,
But
too.
it really was
There
like
you go.
focusing, like, I don't know.
Yeah.
Get one from Drew. Get two, and then I'll light yours off of his.
Don't set
Look!
my infant on fire because you would have to die today.
Like,
Don't
I
go
was a
by the
spark.
burning thing.
That guy gonna put her in a flame of
Well, I'm
fire.
talking to the dad over there who's asking for one.
It's a sprinkler.
Look at it.
It's a sprinkler because it sprinkles.
Listen,
Yes, because it's
anything's capable with
it's
you.
a
Do not set that
You're like,
cute
what's
puppy.
it's a fire
Yeah.
sprinkler.
Just like that. See, look.
Let me putting a sprinkler on camera.
Yeah.
Does that hurt?
No.
No.
You just hold
I
it.
already finished
Oh
mine.
my God, Dagger gets a
I already
snake.
finished
And
mine.
here, hold Ava's. She doesn't want
If
it.
you hold the bottom, it's all right.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'll
he gets
take
scared
one,
of them
Drew.
for some reason.
True.
But
I'll take
No,
one.
you're
All right.
okay.
You're
He won't
scared.
put it on you.
Just hold
If
it.
you hold the bottom, it won't hurt. No.
David,
Can
you
you
had
try
those
it?
before?
She's scared of them.
Oh,
I see. I didn't think she was scared of anything.
That's about
I've
it.
seen her on Facebook.
yeah, these ones burn fast.
Oh, well, I don't blame her.
Yep.
But I've
All
been
So
right.
at Nana's house, the
Yeah.
water's like really hot. And one day she
Come
put
on.
it on, and she burned up there. And
Uh,
after that, we had a problem.
I can have one.
Yes.
Can I
So I
borrow
saw her go up
yours?
that rock wall. I'm like, whoa. This little girl's not afraid.
She wants to go on roller coasters and stuff too.
It's a good pair.
Six Flags. Six Flags?
A V A.
Chicken, bok, 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 bok.
Fire.
Yeah, they burn fast. I think
Look, it's got a bent stick.
I think there's a one big long one.
Yes,
Those
you
big
do.
sticks could be fun.
Jace, you want that big long one?
Yes.
All right, I'll get it.
Big long
Drew, you
one.
like roller coasters?
In the old days, they used to be better.
I
You get to be the babysitter down below. I like them.
whoa.
The last neon one. Remember?
Amanda,
Yeah,
you like roller coasters?
A giant sparkler.
I'm a chicken. I'm a chicken.
I missed the firework
Oh.
It wasn't a good one.
because
Ooh, what's that?
a neon giant sparkler. A giant sparkler. That is neon.
Yeah, that's why it's taking 20 minutes to light.
You should light it in there, man.
There
Whoa.
it goes.
Oh, you got it.
Super sparkler.
It's all about the motion. It's all about the motion in the ocean.
Super sparkler.
Drew said he had a firework over here with girth.
What are you doing, Jake?
Holding a sparkler.
My mind went down the
Can I
dimension.
try? Well, you're scaredy cat. Hold it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Do not touch the fire, Daddy.
It's not a fire, it's just
Let me
sparks.
try. Let me
They
try.
can't hurt you. They're just sparks.
Now she's not afraid.
It's a little bit bigger. Let her try this one, Jace, for a little bit. Because you already held a couple. This one's not as scary for her.
Why?
Because it's bigger. Whoa.
It looks so cool.
Alright, if it goes halfway, you should let him hold it halfway.
Halfway. Let me hold it.
Oh. She's so dramatic.
Hey, V, hey!
Records everything. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I did any of that stuff when I was a kid. I got told to go climb a tree.
Jay, take your hand out of her shirt. Her hand's caught.
Let me check. I'm getting excited. Oh. You love it tearing down his forearm off? Just a tip, Ava. You've had those before. Remember, we used to take the small ones.
There you go. You got it.
It ended.
It ended.
Drop
Oh.
it on the sidewalk.
Not on the ground.
It ended. The
It
giant
ended.
neon
The big
sparkler ended.
Did it? Good job.
But wait, that's not all.
Really?
We have the finale booms too that we have to try.
Are you kidding me? You pick up hermit crabs. Yeah.
Careful.
And then the finale
Josh
booms
said he would help me kill the hermit crab too if you could
Finale
have the
boom, where's that one?
something else.
in the
I
garage.
was like, really, bro?
sure we didn't do it?
We didn't do it yet.
Oh, it's back here?
The unglue.
Oh, that one.
And the pyro fan.
You gonna do everything tonight?
Yes.
Oh,
Like a huge.
Not like another size show.
Look, Jace, touch the end.
There's Raph wants something out of the tank. Two things.
But I
Can't
have
remember the
2
other thing.
more fireworks.
Daddy, go.
No, it wasn't that.
Heating lamp,
No, it wasn't that.
Hold on.
heating pad,
But wait!
and this.
But wait, that's not all. Daddy? But that's not all. We still have finale booms.
Finale booms.
Yeah. We'll have to look for
Oh,
more
yeah.
fireworks for the 4th of July.
A flashing fountain.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. Hey, you going to Ava's birthday party?
Yes!
Oh, yeah, he's ready to roll.
Because. Wait, that's not all.
He's about to be 7.
And I'm 7. And I'm already lucky 7.
Well, they say 7's the number of completion. That God created the world
I want
in
a
6 days and
spot
7
that-
days.
But wait, that's not all.
I know, it's also, well, we still have all those other sparklers. They're the same thing.
But wait, we have flashing fountains.
Oh, you got 3 more. Do this one and then do those 2 at the end. 'Cause those are the bigger ones.
Because I already got 36 minutes.
Alright, well, give that one to Daddy.
You're like pretty much neat.
It's a big one.
1, 2.
It's a big show.
All right. Wait, there should be another one.
It's the pyro fan.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, so I'll do these ones
You
then.
need like a moon dress.
No, there's a little one and then there's
Yes,
two
I know. I'm gonna do
I
little
keep
ones
worrying.
now, and then I'll.
If you know what. The finale booms.
Please.
That'll be so awesome.
Give the guy a break.
I'll do the little ones. I'll do the little ones now, and then I'll.
Because this will be like a whole show. That's a pyro fan. If I know that. Okay, got him on.
Yo, you should go with this one day, Drew.
Pennsylvania?
Yeah, it's like literally as soon as you cross over Trenton.
Oh yeah, I lived in Philadelphia. They used to fly them on like regular days.
Oh, it is. They got the
Bomb
galactic.
rocket boards.
Remember that one we're gonna drive like an hour and a half away for? The galactic fireworks. They got one in Jackson now.
I was gonna say there's a big fireworks
Yeah,
place
but
by
Yeah.
they're
Trade
not gonna
Adventure.
sell
Whoa!
it.
Yeah,
That is red.
Sells in Pennsylvania, like all the big ones.
Oh,
They
okay.
brought to Jersey.
That is
Now
red.
they're
Pretty
having-
They're not
smoky.
gonna sell what we can't hang.
What?
Wait.
The galactic one? Yeah, they probably just give them.
And it's
Ricky
done.
Dink shit.
But wait, that's not all.
We gotta go to Pennsylvania where we went.
Bombs.
Angel,
Oh no.
we just spread our arms out.
She's so excited.
Yeah, look at her. She's enjoying this.
Okay.
All right, who's got a big one?
I was saying she's gonna be the dangerous one.
What the finale booms now at the
Yep,
end?
Ava
last
was a
two,
good
bud.
baby.
The
This one's
end
gonna
of
kill
the
me.
video will be the
Alright.
finale boom.
Two
Yep.
big ones left.
These are the last 2, buddy. You gotta go pee, bud?
No.
Okay.
These are from
Because
a
we
couple
can
years ago.
pause if you gotta pee. We won't do it without you.
We don't want an
Oh
accident.
yeah. You lit some of these off last time.
I'm not Peppa
That's not
Pig.
Peppa Pig.
Who is that?
That's
I thought so too.
who's that? I forget.
Oh, I thought that.
Piggy.
Piggy, just Piggy from
Oh.
Roblox.
I thought it was Peppa Pig.
No.
He has a baseball
One
bat.
night I came in the bedroom and Pop-Up's laying in bed watching Peppa Pig on TV.
Oh no.
Sophia.
That was a crazy.
By
Peppa
himself.
Pig is on at like 11 o'clock at night.
Same thing.
Yeah.
You guys really do? What are you doing?
Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh. Ooh. Whoa. That is so cool. That is so sick. But the final one left. What is it? That is. This is like 39 minutes.
Wow.
Into the
Good. You
video.
sure you don't gotta pay?
No,
Maybe she's excited.
because I want to dance. Right?
Angie, when the big
But wait, I don't want to
I
draw
don't
my
like those
tablet.
kind of dancers that do that.
At 11 o'clock, Peppa Pig was on.
What's that even?
Peppa Pig was on.
Was he? And they did
Watch your
that?
arms.
11 o'clock.
Yeah,
At
they
your
did.
house.
11 o'clock at night, yeah.
Mommy can see.
Here we
Watch
go.
your arms with the
Another
stick.
one? You ready?
Last
Yeah.
one.
Yep, let her see it. Look, watch your arms.
Whoa. This is so sick
It's like
and
mesmerized.
dope. Oh,
Yay.
pretty too. That thing has been going on for a
That's a
while.
good one, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Cool. Woohoo!
Wow.
Still going.
Still going.
Wow.
It's still going.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. That's the end of the video. That's the end of the video for now. And thank you for watching into the video. It's already been 40 minutes and that's it. Bye.